Looking for a compact and efficient food processor? Meet the Cuisinart Mini-Prep 3-cup food processor, the perfect kitchen companion for quick and easy meal prep. This 250-watt powerhouse features a patented reversible stainless steel blade, allowing you to chop and grind ingredients effortlessly. With a push-button control panel and an auto-reversing smart power blade, you get two powerful processing options in one convenient device. The 24-ounce work bowl with a handle is just the right size for small tasks, from chopping vegetables to grinding nuts. Plus, the lightweight plastic body makes it easy to handle while remaining durable. Cleanup is a breeze with a dishwasher-safe bowl and lid. Just wipe the motor base clean with a damp cloth. Before I dive further, this is an honest review. I earn only a few cents if you purchase through my link, but I only recommend products that truly deliver value and won't waste your hard-earned money. Superior functionality. Quickly chops and grinds with precision. Convenient design. Comes with a stainless steel blade, spatula, and an instruction recipe book. Warranty protection. Includes an 18-month limited warranty for peace of mind. Important note. This food processor is not recommended for grinding beans as it is designed to chop instead. Pro tip. Always buy original products and stay away from copies to ensure you receive the high-quality performance and durability Cuisinart is known for. Upgrade your kitchen with the Cuisinart Mini-Prep 3-cup food processor. Compact, powerful, and reliable for all your quick prep needs.